do you say? Would you like to join me and drink a glass of freshly squeezed grapes and chestnuts? I know. Well, here is my recipe of how I do chestnuts. These ones were bought from a local store near my house, but I usually like to prepare them myself. It's much cheaper and I do have more chestnuts. I start prepping the chestnuts. I put them in a bowl and I wash them very thoroughly because they have a brown residue on them. And I want them all clean. Then you will need a good cutter in order to cut each piece one by one. You have to cut them in a cross and on one side, and on the other side it might be a line or a cross. This is a very heavy process and you need lots of strength, and they are not easy to cut. I suggest you might invite your partner to do this, it's much easier for them. Either way, prep your arms, they will hurt in the end. After I finished cutting them, I take an oven roasting pan and I put them all in there. Then I would like to add some water. This keeps them soft inside and crunchy on the outside. What are you saying there? Be sure to mix them well, they need to be roasted on every side. This is me trying one of them and that was not ready yet. I will show you in a bit what means to be ready. Look, this one is perfect. When they are ready, I put them in a pot and add a bit of water and then a towel over it. I leave them rest for about 10 minutes or so and then they are ready to eat. Of course, I have a glass of grape juice with them. Oh my god, roasted pumpkin, it's another favorite of mine. Here I have 3 types of pumpkin. 2 of them, these 2, I have from a local farm, I bought them, and the bigger one from our grandmother. The bigger one is my most favorite pumpkin, but I don't always have time or access to it, so I do like to buy pumpkin from the store as well. Cutting pumpkin is not an easy process, I'm sure you know this as well, considering Halloween just passed. The way I like to roast pumpkin is by putting it on the grill and not on the tray. The pumpkin is much sweeter if I roast it on the grill. The downside of this is that the pumpkin has a sweet juice that will go down and you have to catch it because otherwise you will have a lot of smoke in the house. So this is why I put aluminium foil on my tray. I take the tray out when there's no more juice falling from the pumpkin. It's so bad that you cannot feel the smell of the pumpkin. My whole house smells so yummy from this pumpkin. I love it. My roasted pumpkin is ready to eat and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.